Welcome to Yoga Life with Amelia. Let's take a break from our physical asana practice and devote some time to our creative side. And look at the circular and geometric design of mandala art. Many people like drawing these circular patterns and find this activity to be a centering and calming, expressive activity. In this video, I'd like to share with you tips on how to make a natural mandala as a way to calm your mind or make it a part of your mindfulness activity. So let's find inspiration in nature for this activity. You will find many circular and geometric shapes in nature that will inspire you for this activity. Finding inspiration for your mandala art is part of the process, so I hope you enjoy and take some time to discover what you like for your natural mandala. This video shows you many examples on how to create this natural art so you can express your creativity. Finding colorful flowers or leaves is a good place to start. You can make your mandala art as simple or more complex depending on how you like to express yourself. Take time to add other elements and don't feel rushed to complete this activity in one sitting. Special thanks to Bonnie Blooms and Hum Yoga and Meditation for giving me inspiration to do this video. For more videos on easy to follow yoga and meditation practice, please view my other videos, and I'll provide some of the links in the description box below. Thank you for viewing Yoga Life with Amelia, and I'll see you on the next one.